I will teach you right now how you can create a lead magnet in a form of a, let's say, 5-minute video that you can be giving away to your social media audience, and when they access it, that builds your email list. How this is gonna work is that I'm gonna teach you right now how to record or create a 5-minute video that teaches people your meta trend, and then on social media you will be sending traffic to this page that's in front of me. People will access your want to access your video, they're gonna give you their emails down here, right? And they will be able to see your video, and that's gonna build your email list for you. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to create this 5-minute video that you can be giving away to people, but in my other videos then I teach you also how to put this opt-in page system in place for email list building and email marketing, and I also teach you in my other video lessons how to approach content creation, right? Where you are giving away to people this 5-minute video. For example, you can create YouTube videos where you teach certain smaller things, and then at the end you say, hey, I also have a 5-minute video for you that teaches you the full picture of my method. Click the link down below, go access it, and they're gonna click then and they're gonna come to this page, and this is gonna build your email list. But in this video I'm just gonna teach you first of all how to create and record this mini 5-minute video that you can be giving away, and then in my other videos I teach you the rest of this idea. And a quick reminder, if you don't know my strategy, my method yet, right, what I do is on social media I am giving away to people usually certain lead magnet, in this case this 5-minute video, and that builds an email list. Out of my email list then I get people into my paid membership, right? I promote to them, right? So I follow 2 content plans. One content plan allows me to create lead generation content, right? That builds my email list. So that's where I'm sounding like, hey, do you want a free guide, or do you want a free video that I created? Comment down below video or click the link or so down below, and you're gonna get access to my free 5-minute video. That builds my email list, right? But then to my email list I send promotional emails out. Hey, this is what my membership is all about. This is how it looks like. This is what you're gonna achieve. This is what you're gonna get. Click the link to begin and subscribe to my membership, right? So that's how my model works. And right now in this video I'm gonna simply teach you how to create a 5-minute video that you give away to people on the opt-in page, right? And that builds your email list, and they can then study your method, right? So let's get started with this lesson now. The purpose of this 5 to 10 minute video is that you teach your audience the full picture of your transformational method, right? So if you remember, when I told you to decide on the outcome that you're gonna help people achieve, right? Then you decided on 3-4 steps or so of how you can help them achieve that outcome, right? And out of those 3-4 steps, you then created a course outline, course curriculum, right? And you will have a full-blown mini course that will be part of your membership, right? Now, the purpose of this 5 to 10 minute video here is that you teach a full picture of your course, but you don't go really in depth of each and every course lesson, but you simply teach them an idea of how the method looks like, right? And we're gonna be giving this video away to your social media audience, and that's gonna build our email list, right? So how this works is I am giving you a mini structure of how you're gonna record this video, right? You're gonna simply turn on the camera just like I am doing right now, and you're gonna talk to the camera, okay? You don't need like slides or whatsoever. You can have them if you want, right? But you don't really need the slides for this. You could just teach for 5 to 10 minutes people your method, and you're gonna here have a template. You're gonna get access to the mini script so you can write it down, right? So as part of the task of this lesson is that you write out a mini script that then you can kind of read, or you can talk through these bullet points, right? And this is how the structure of this 5 to 10 minute video is gonna look like. First, you're gonna open up the video and say your welcome to the people, right? hey, welcome, I am gonna teach you this method of mine where I'm gonna show you how you can achieve that outcome, right? For example, how you can lose weight, or how you can become spiritually aligned to your purpose, or whatever, right? If you achieve that outcome, you're gonna be able now to have these benefits, right? So you can kind of tell them, hey, if you can achieve that outcome, if you get over certain problems, you're gonna now be able to have these benefits, right? So if you lose weight, you're gonna be able to be fit, you're gonna feel more attractive, you're gonna have more energy, right? We just wanna tell people like what is that they can expect to get if they learn about the method that you're gonna show them, right? And if they achieve that outcome, right? Then we're gonna teach them the 3-step method through which they can achieve that outcome and those benefits. You're gonna simply say, let me now explain you the few steps that you're gonna want to go through, or let me explain you the method that you will need to master and apply to your situation so you can achieve that outcome. And then you're gonna go into the 3 lessons, or 3 steps. You're gonna teach your method like a full picture, right? You're gonna simply say, hey, step 1, for example, is that you understand what actually gets you to lose weight, right? The right balance between the proper food and exercise, whatever, right? So that's that first thing you're gonna teach. Then second thing you're gonna teach, for example, is how to optimize your meal plan for the week, right? For each and every week. So nutrition. And then step 3, hey, this is how often you're gonna need to work out to lose weight. So you're gonna teach them the method, whatever you are teaching to them, right? And you're gonna do that in 2 to 3, 4, 5 minutes, whatever, right? Minutes. So they can learn and digest your information, and you're gonna simply wrap it up at the end, right? You're gonna simply give them a summary, right, of the method and what they have learned, and you can then give them what they can do next. What I suggest everyone at the beginning is that you don't try to sell your membership here yet, but simply we invite people to join our free community, right? So for example, if this is the thank you page, on my page here I tell people, hey, join my free school community, and when they click they can come into my free school community, right? You could invite them to get into your free Facebook group here if you don't have a school community here, or if you want to not get them into a free community, you could get them into your membership, right? You could get them to click here, and maybe they could go and land on your membership about page, order page, where they can watch your video what the membership is all about, right? So you can decide on what you're gonna do here, right? But at the end of this video here, you want to tell people what's possible to do next, right? I usually simply say, hey, if you want to interact with me and talk more about this, and you can join my free community where we engage and hang out and we support each other, right? I want to get them into my free community first so they can be more like around me, right? And that's what I want you to do now, right? I want you to create this 5 to 10 minute video, which we're going to be giving away to people on this landing page. And in my separate videos and my lessons, I teach you how to put this in place through a Systemy.io app, which is a free app you can use for email marketing. I'll give you a link below to the app, and you can then upload your video up there, and an email can be sent out and all these kind of things. I'll teach you that in the later lessons, right? But right now I want you to write out the mini script for this. Replace these mini elements that you need to replace, right, here, and write out the 3 steps that you're gonna teach. Give yourself a little bit kind of bullet point description, right, extra. Write what you're gonna talk about, and then sit down for 5 minutes and record a video you teaching people your method. Okay, so complete this task right now so we can have a valuable video as a free giveaway that we can give to people, and this is gonna be building your email list. If you have any questions on how this all works, you can come into my free school community where we talk about all of these things, or you can ask a question down below under this video in the comment section. I would love to help you out. Okay, but other than that, come into my free school community as well, so I can help you with you building your own membership, your own course, course and growing your community so you can have a recurring income from you being an online coach and running your membership community.